Today we are going to be making our title block with our borders on it. So what we're going to need is a pencil, a ruler, and a piece of printer paper. Notebook paper doesn't always work because it can be different sizes. Different notebooks can be different sizes. So we're going to stick with printer paper. Our first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our ruler, we're going to line it up with our bottom left-hand edge, and we're going to draw a border in here. I'm going to offset this edge in a 1/2 inch. So with my ruler lined up with that bottom edge, make a dot in 1/2 inch. Do the same on the top of your sheet of paper. And then connect the dots. We're going to do this all the way around our piece of paper here.
Now that I have all my dots, we're just going to connect lines.
There is our border. Now we need to add our title block. Our title block is 1 inch tall and 2 inches long. Taking my ruler, I'm just going to measure back to the left 2 inches, make a dot. I'm going to guess up about 1 inch and do the same thing, back 2 inches, make a dot. From this bottom right hand corner, I'm going to measure up 1 inch, make a dot, and right here at this point I just made, I'm going to measure up 1 inch and make a dot. And then we're going to connect them. The reason we're putting our title block in the bottom right hand corner is so that we have room up here for the rest of our object. We can put our front view, top view, right side view. Again, title block should go in the bottom right hand corner. In our title block, we're going to have the name or the title of our project, the name of the part, the name of the person drawing it, that will be whatever your name is, and the last block, we're going to put construction and the years, 2021. Let's go ahead, we'll take this title block, we're going to divide it by 4. So 1 inch tall divided by 4 is 1/4 inch. So I'm just going to put my ruler on here, measure up 1/4 inch, make a dot, 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch. Do the same on the other side. 1/4, 1/2, 3/4. Connect the dots. There is our title block. On here, all of the drawings we're making right now are for the gumball machine. So we're going to write gumball machine in this top opening here. If you want to look like a true drafts person, you'll write in all capital letters. Gumball machine does take up a lot of space, so make sure you start on the far left and try leaving a smaller gap between your words. Next one, we're going to leave this second line down here. We're going to leave that blank. That's going to be for the title of our drawings. This third one down, you're going to write your name. And the last line, we're going to write construction 2021. The reason we left this block blank is because, again, that is the block where we're going to put the name of each of the parts we're drawing. To make this simpler on us, what I want to do is take this piece of paper right now, go make copies of it. We're going to need 7 copies of it. That way, if you go to find a copy machine and make copies, you don't have to draw this out every time. If you don't make copies of it, if you don't have access to a copy machine, then you just have to make a border each time. That took us 5 minutes, not very long. That is making your title block with the borders. You're going to need to make one for every drawing.